Looking for a powerful, compact, and affordable mini excavator? Meet the 1-ton customized crawler excavator from Vogt, designed for home use, farms, and small construction jobs. This 2024 model comes with a reliable Euro 5 compliant engine. Choose between Kubota, Coupe, Keepor, or Briggs & Stratton. With 28 kilowatts of power and a sturdy 1,800 kilograms build, it's ready to take on serious tasks. It features a retractable chassis, perfect for tight spaces like basements or elevators. The adjustable seat and swing boom make work safer and more comfortable. Plus, the smart engine layout makes maintenance a breeze. You'll love the wide range of accessories and custom options. And with a 1-year warranty, CE certification, and full inspection reports included, you can buy with total confidence. Click the link below to buy now. Claim your exclusive discounts and get started with your own custom mini excavator today. Don't wait. Stock is limited and demand is high. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more real machinery reviews and let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next.